welcome back to the Kaemedia Network, and welcome back to Frauds and Fines. This week, I want to talk about an Alabama woman who was charged in $600,000 worth of PPP fraud. All right, so let's get into it. The feds arrested, and I hope I'm saying this right, Zaza Couch. So it's ZSA. So she's 53, and on like April 26th, she was charged in regards to phony PPP applications, right? So she submitted 6 applications for over $1.6 million using false information. So she filed for like different types of businesses, including like a boutique, a hair salon, and a daycare center. She also filed for a business advertised as Slim Fit Weight Loss Medical Clinic and Spa. And in each application, she lied about how many people she employed and the payroll costs so she could qualify for higher payouts. So this is what I don't get, guys. Payroll comes with payroll taxes, and you remit payroll taxes to the IRS. So if you falsify that information and then they do an audit, I'm pretty sure they can find out that you lied because the amount of payroll doesn't match up to the amount of payroll taxes you remitted. So I don't know if maybe I'm just overthinking it, but I'm thinking like, why would you want to do that? Like, it's documented. So in the Slim Fit Company application, she claimed that there were 10 employees on payroll, even though she was the only one. So she filed 2 applications for Kids Academy, the daycare center, and it also contained contradictory information. So she filed twice for the daycare, right? And then in both applications, she put the wrong information. So in one application, she told the Fed she had 10 employees, which amounted to like $74,665 in payroll expenses. And in the other papers, she added 5 more employees, right? So in both for the same daycare center, so she puts like different number of employees. She reports a payroll amount of $120,000, right? So the higher the amount you submit for payroll, is the more likely you are to get a bigger payout, right? So the Department of Justice says like she failed to like inform the government of the multiple applications. So this is a thing because it's like everything's happening so fast, and they are trying to help small businesses. They are trying to help marginalized communities. They're trying to get the funds out quickly. And so, you know, it's not that they're not going to do the check, but they feel like businesses are hurting. And so they're giving the money out as fast as they possibly can. And then, you know, we get people who take advantage of the system. And so she failed to inform the government that she did multiple applications. So I guess she like timed it right where the system somehow didn't pick up that she already had an application on file for the same business. And so she filed for one business or that she owned multiple companies. And she eventually received $609,687.47 from the PPP loan program. So she spent it on her family. She bought luxury cars. You're only supposed to offset like payroll, keep those jobs, and then it had limited use. Like you had like a percentage split between what other business expenses you could use the funds on. So yeah, she's charged with multiple counts of bank fraud, money laundering, making false statements to a federally insured bank. And if convicted, she will face a maximum of 30 years in federal prison. And that's so sad because, you know, like she has a family, and I'm pretty sure like her her kids are going to miss out on her being with them. So come on guys, like it doesn't pay. Like I just don't understand. Like you see all the arrests that are going on, and then you're all like making the same mistake. Like it's the same agency, you know, they are going to catch up to it. If you don't have payroll in that time frame that matched your payroll tax expenses, they're gonna pick up eventually, because there's an audit that is being run after they're dispersing these loans, and so they're catching it. You know, like the information just doesn't make sense. So yeah, come on, we got to do better. But this was like a no, right? All right, thank you so much for watching. This was Fraud and Fines.